about those first two things I talked to you earlier about, you know, my passion about the opportunity to either make money or to save money. We have a spa membership. You join Beauty Control to become a consultant. And when women join Beauty Control, they join for two reasons. One, to either make money or one, to save money. And, you know, the business opportunity, again, like I said, is just so amazing. You know, I have a lady on my team who literally just would like to make about an extra $100 or $200 a month. She wants a little bit of shoe and purse money, basically, and that's all she's looking for. So she basically sells to her coworkers, her friends, and her family, and she makes an extra about $200, you know, $150, $200 a month, just selling to her friends and family. And she's got that extra money in her pocket, sort of what we call anytime money, when you just need those little extra things. And she works maybe like 2 hours doing that, putting those orders together and making sure that she's always got that great, you know, little bit of income to help her get her things. Then we have women who maybe are looking for just an extra $500 a month. And you know, one of the things I've learned recently is that in the economic crisis that a lot of us faced, is $500 can really impact a family's life. And I have a consultant who $500 right now is really helping them just keep their head above water. And it was really kind of the reason I jumped into Beauty Control, to be real honest with you, is we were just struggling financially and had a little bit more month than money, and it really helped my family find a way to you know, get over that and not have that pressure, those financial pressures. So working about 3 to 4 spas, doing about 3 spas per month, doing just what I did this evening, working about maybe 15 hours a month, will give a woman's in the area of about $500 to $800 a month income. So if you're a woman that maybe could use an extra $500 a month, you know, that's fantastic. And then we also work with, there's women who are exactly like me and who want an executive income. And by working about 15 hours a week and doing about 8 spas a month, and working with your team and your clients, you can earn anywhere from $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 or more. There's not a cap. We don't have a glass ceiling, so you can earn as much as you want by working about 15 hours a week, have an executive income level. Some people do it along. I have some ladies who do this alongside another full-time job, or you could be like me and have this be the only thing that you do. So great business opportunity. That package runs $385. With that $385, let me tell you what you receive. You receive $1,100 worth of product. That's an amazing price. So that is what we call our I Deserve It All package. That's the one that I highly recommend to everybody, because you really get a great set of product for you, for your family, and at a great savings. We have then the Ultimate Spa package, and the Ultimate Spa package is a much smaller version of this one, and this is really for those discounts. So if it's not money, if you don't need any extra money, and you're really kind of looking just to how can I save some money and get the best deals, you may want to look at our Ultimate Spa package. And what that includes is that you will be able to purchase your skincare this evening that of your choice, and along with that you're going to get our little Anytime Spa set, which is our hand scrub, our instant manicure, our warming green tea mask, and our lip appeal that we used. And so you get that, and you also get a fun spa seminar. And at that spa seminar, for attending our spa seminar where we teach you makeup application and more about your products and your discounts, as a gift for coming, we give you the instant facelift absolutely for free. So you can see it's about $385 worth of product for $125. An amazing way to be a discount shopper. This is your Costco card right here for all your beauty supplies and products. And so if you flip the page, then you can kind of see the 2 packages I just talked to you about, the $125, the Ultimate Spa package, and our I Deserve It All package. I really have those detailed here so you can see exactly what comes in them. Now I will share with you that you can do some shopping straight retail this evening, because I'm here to, you know, really help you find what's best for you this evening. And you can kind of see we have all of those sets available right here for you. Whenever you purchase a set, you receive an item at half price. So I really want to make sure you get your best savings. Now remember, your skin wellness, your skincare set is really probably the most important thing you can get. And if you're interested, when you schedule your spa retreat, you're going to get that at a discount, just like our hostess did. And that's the one I really recommend to you. Now you can build your own packages as well. So if you want to build a set, you've got to have 3 items in your set, and you're going to get a 4th item at half price. Now this evening while you're shopping, you can see in your folder, if you want to shop retail and take advantages of the sets that we have at the back, you're going to use this order form right here, and we'll calculate that up for you. And if you are interested in our I Deserve It All or our Ultimate Spa package, you're going to use this enrollment form right here. So what I'm going to do this evening is I'm going to kind of work with each of you one-on-one, because my job is to really help you get the favorites that you just told me about within your budget. I want to help you design your regimen. So now, don't forget, ladies, I also, for any of you ladies, I forgot to tell you about this, any of you ladies who are ready to schedule your spa retreat. I know you're ready to do exactly what Miss J did this evening. I have 3 envelopes here that have gift certificates in it. I've got a $10, $15, and a $20 gift certificate. And I've got my next upcoming hot spa dates available here for me. So I'm going to have those out for you so that you can choose the one that you want tonight. So you can have your spa retreat. And I know you're really anxious to do that. So ladies, again, it's been so much fun to do this spa treatment with you this evening, have this spa retreat. I just really enjoy it. Now let's go ahead and let's get the pens and the pencils out, and I'll start meeting with all of you one-on-one. And whoever needs to leave first this evening, I can start with you, girl. We'll help you find exactly what you need this evening. So you can kind of see that that's essentially the close. Really focusing on the opportunity, because I do truly believe that is the best thing that we have to offer is the opportunity for income or the opportunity for savings. Obviously we want spas and we want to make sure that we always have continuing business happening. And then we definitely want sales. You want a well-rounded, diverse sort of spa happening. You want what we call the trifecta spa. You want bookings, you want sales, you want recruits, you want all 3 of those things. And you really want to do what's best for your client. Your job is not to convince, it's not to judge and decide who needs the opportunity. Your job is to be the expert and the consultant, and you educate throughout the evening, you enlighten them on all the amazing things that they can be doing for themselves, and then you empower them to make the decision that's best for them. You present the information, you help them make the decision that's best for them. So it's been great doing this spa training module for you. I look forward to the next one.